welcome to Sulsel Update in English with me, Rasni Gani. I'm bringing you to the latest news update from South Sulawesi, covering information of economic, politics, education, and lifestyle. And here are some of the stories making the headline this morning. 102 people in Takala Regency, South Sulawesi, become a victim of mass poisoning. The incident took place in Pakanjene Hamlet, Pakabau village, North Galeson district this Saturday. Sahir Ramadan, 8-year-old boy, died. The head of sub-district Galesong Utara Takalar Amran Toraja explained the chronology of the incident. One of the residents held the third night of worship of a funeral in Thursday night. The host served 250 rice boxes to the guests. Each resident who came to pray along took the rice box. Unfortunately, a day later, symptoms appear: vomiting, defecating, and others. Amran said that so far, 200 people have been suspected poisoned. The local police department investigated the host and the owner of the restaurant. Police officers take a sample of the rice box and bring it to the laboratory. Head of Police Takal Regency Napa confirmed that the team already on the crime scene. Police waits for the laboratory result to continue case investigation. Other things, only 55 out of 102 residents are reported have treatment at the hospital. The rest, 47, choose to cure at home. Some of them are worried about COVID-19 issues. They do not want to be suspected as COVID patient. Don't go away, we'll be coming back soon. Welcome back to Sulsel Update in English. Now moving on to the next top story. 100 of residents in 4 villages in Luwu, South Sulawesi have been evacuated due to the threat of flooding and landslide last week. Some volunteers worked to save 100 people from hard-hit places in 2 districts, Ilan Batu and Santandong village in West Walendrang district, and Pelalan and Seriti village in East Lamasi district. 2 houses were flooding from the flood and dozens were hit by the water. People around the 4 affected village evacuated families to the safe place and bring important documents. Video shared on social media shows residents crying and screaming while the house and vehicles drift through thigh-high water.
Tetap dia menjual.
Oh, tidak dika, bagus ini perahu yang dika kepalanya. Oh, pergi nanti di tali.
Minister of Social Affairs Tri Risma hari ini visited the location of landslide and flood in Luwu Regency this Wednesday. Risma and her entourage go straight to Ilan Batu village in North Walendrang district, one of the worst villages affected by the landslide. Arriving at the location, Risma distributed logistic assistance to disaster survivors. Risma wants to ensure that the needs of the victim of the landslide and flood in Luwu Regency are met. That's all for today. Update your information at tribuntimur.com, watching on our YouTube channel Tribun Timur, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Thank you for watching and have a good day. This has been Rasni Gani.